2023 was a rough year for a lot of us. And if you're anything like me, you missed your goals. You did not hit the goals that you set for yourself, but you're looking to turn it around in 2024 and you want to get to that next level. Well, I'll tell you what did work really well for us in 2023, and that is leveraging video to do a lot of things. One, to build relationships with people within our community. Two, to create content that people actually care about. And three, to create content that works for us even when we are asleep. So if you're looking to level up in video, you want to learn from me, from Brian Kochi, and take everything we've learned over the last 9 years of creating video content together, I would love to have you join us for our Media Mayor Mastermind course. This course will take everything we've learned, whether it's shooting videos out in the community, property videos, market update videos, green screen videos, interviewing business owners, all of that amazing stuff. We've packaged all of that up to help you shortcut that learning curve and get into creating content that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Even while I'm here, I'm in Buffalo visiting family. My videos are working for me, and we can do that same thing for you. And for Black Friday, we got a special 50% off our normal rate. Plus, we do recurring masterminds every single month. We're giving you 6 months free into those masterminds as well. Click the link down below.